apparently I am not allowed to be at school with you for more than one day without a kid being sick. So hopefully we will get over it over this break, and I will be back with you for good next week. Now I wanted to review some stuff for you before you take your quiz. So I've got 3 problems we're going to work through. You're going to see how they work, and then you'll take your quiz. Now remember, the bottom section is bonus. So the very first problem we're going to look at is 3 times the quantity 2y minus 4. Now remember, distributive property says that you multiply everything inside the parentheses by the number on the outside. So here I'm going to take 3 times 2y and 3 times the negative 4. I think of it as negative 4 here. Now 3 times 2y is going to give me 6y, and then 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. You could have also thought of that as 3 times 4, and then the minus sign just carries down. So that's going to simplify to 6y minus 12, and that's all I can do. Now you're also going to see some that look like this. So 5x times the quantity x plus y. In this case, again, everything on the outside gets multiplied by everything on the inside. So we're going to take 5x times x and 5x times y. Now when I do 5x times x, that gives me 5 times x, which is the same as 5x squared. Okay, so this becomes 5x squared. X times x gives me x squared. And then 5x times y, that's 5 times x times y. I just write that as 5xy. So this is 5x squared plus 5xy, and that's all we can do. Remember, we can only combine like terms. X squared and xy are not like terms, so they cannot be combined. That's my answer. Now the very last one is really more complex. Now the first thing you want to do here is to multiply. Okay? So we're going to distribute the 2 times b and the 2 times negative 7. Now that's going to give me 2b minus 14. Okay? Everything else is just going to carry down. So I'm going to bring down the 3a plus, okay, there I have the 2b minus 14, and then bring it down the plus 7a minus 4. Now next I want to look for like terms. So I'm actually going to rewrite this and sort my like terms together. So if we look, I've got 3a and then the plus 7a. Those are like terms. I'm going to write those right next to each other. So 3a plus 7a. The 2b, there are no other b's. I'm going to put a, I don't know, trapezoid around it. So the plus 2b, that's just going to be by itself. And I kind of wrote it with some space just so I can see, you know, these are different terms. And then finally, I have the minus 14 or negative 14 and the minus 4. And so I wrote those out by themselves. So I've got 3a plus 7a plus 2b and then the negative 14 minus 4. And I treat those as 3 completely separate problems because they are. So 3a plus 7a gives me 10a. Plus 2b is just by itself. And then negative 14 minus 4, I can change this to plus negative 4. Remember, stay switch switch. Negative 14 plus negative 4 is negative 18. So this becomes 10a plus 2b minus 18. Now, go through, do the best that you can on the quiz. I'm only going to be grading the top part. The bottom section is bonus, so you can earn some bonus points today. So good luck.